In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your YouTube earnings in Google Adsense. It's a simple process that should only take about 5 minutes to complete. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just getting started on YouTube, keeping track of your earnings is crucial for understanding how your content is performing and planning for future growth. So, let's dive right in. To begin with, what you'll want to do is navigate to the Google Adsense homepage. You can do this by entering Google Adsense into your search bar, or directly visiting the website if you happen to know the URL. Once you're there, look for the sign in button. It's usually prominently displayed on the top corner of the page. Click it to proceed. Now you'll need to log in using the Google account that's linked to your YouTube channel. This account should be the one you regularly use for managing your channel activities. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Google AdSense dashboard. From here, you'll want to find the Home section. The Home section serves as a central hub for navigating to different parts of your AdSense account. Now locate and click the tab labeled Payments. This section is a crucial part of AdSense as it's where you can review all the financial transactions related to your account. Upon entering the Payments section, your next step is to look for Payments Info. Clicking on this will bring you into a more detailed view where you can dive into the specifics of your account's financials. This page provides a comprehensive overview of your earnings and transactions, so it's an excellent place to become familiar with. Now that you're in the Payments Info section, the main item on your agenda is to find the Your Earnings section. By clicking on Your Earnings, you'll gain access to a detailed breakdown of the revenue generated from your YouTube content. This detailed information often includes insights into where your earnings are coming from, helping you understand which videos or types of content are performing best. And just like that, you've successfully accessed your YouTube earnings information through Google AdSense. This process not only helps you track your current earnings, but also enables you to strategize and set goals for future content. Remember that while checking these figures, it's also helpful to regularly monitor trends and fluctuations in your income, as this can offer valuable insights into patterns and potential future performance. I hope you found this guide straightforward and helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification on this process, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll be more than happy to assist. Happy earning and take care.